You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this American footballer, tight end, I believe he is. If you want to learn more names from the NFL, stay tuned. Pittsburgh Steelers at the moment. Pat Freiermuth, apparently. Let's hear him say it. Listen carefully.
How frustrating is it when you hear Muth?
Oh, no,
right?
yeah,
it's Pat Freiermuth.
How frustrating?
It's Pat Freiermuth. You've heard himself say it. Pat Freiermuth. This is a clip from a video from CBS Pittsburgh YouTube channel. Pat Freiermuth is how to say it. It's easy, Pat Freiermuth, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.